Craving some noodles? Try out these easy and simple protein-loaded noodles, which are going to turn out amazing, flavorful, glossy, and so delicious. It will take less than 15 minutes to make these delicious noodles, and let me tell you, each bite is going to be totally worth it. For the recipe, you'll need very few ingredients. I have some assorted peppers, onion, some garlic cloves, black pepper, minced meat, my noodles, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. So I'm going to get straight into making this very simple recipe by placing a pan over medium flame and adding in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Wait for around 30 seconds until the oil is ready. And for the recipe, you'll need half a kg of minced meat. Once the cooking oil is ready, I'm going to add in my minced meat. My meat is a little bit fatty. That means that when it's cooking, it's going to render a little bit of fat. But make sure your minced meat is not too fatty because your food will turn out very greasy. When the minced meat is ready, you're going to add in your onions and garlic and cook for around 30 seconds to 1 minute until the onions are soft and the garlic is very fragrant. The aroma in the kitchen is so good from searing the meat, and I absolutely love everything at this point. You know the aroma you get when grilling meat? That is the aroma right now in the kitchen. So I'm going to add in some seasoning. I'll start off with some black pepper, which is going to add in lots of flavor to the noodles. Add in a tablespoon of oyster sauce and a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Add in the seasoning that comes with noodles. Add in 1.5 cups of water, stir in, bring the flames to high. And the dark soy sauce, oyster sauce is going to add in lots of seasoning to the dish, including salt. Also, the seasoning that comes with noodles has salt, so there's no need for more salt. For the recipe, I'm going to be adding in 2 bricks of noodles. So because my water has come to a boil, I'm going to drop in the noodles and cook according to packaging instructions. Remember, the minced meat cooks really fast and the noodles also take a very short while to cook. So this is going to take around 4 minutes and everything is going to be ready. But we have some capsicum, which I'm going to be adding lastly because I love my capsicum crunchy. After 1 minute, the noodles will have softened up such that it's breaking apart. You're going to add in 1 teaspoon of cornstarch to a small bowl. Add in 2 tablespoons of water. Stir in the cornstarch until it's fully dissolved into the water. Next, add in my assorted peppers. Stir in, and wow, immediately you add in the capsicum, the dish is going to be looking so colorful. So I'm going to cook for an extra 1 minute because I don't want to overcook my noodles. Yummy. Check the seasoning, although I know it's perfect. Yeah, perfect. This is how my noodles are looking at this point. So I'm going to add in my cornstarch. Immediately you add in your cornstarch, everything is going to thicken up and the noodles are going to be looking very glossy. And once the noodles are ready, this is how they're going to be looking. Delish. So don't overcook. Once everything is ready, you're going to put out the flames and serve. When your noodles are ready, they're going to be looking so good and delicious, mouth-watering. Let me tell you, they're so delicious. Your minced meat is going to be very delicious and flavorful, and the noodles are going to be well cooked. That means you'll be slapping all the way during your lunch or dinner with this easy noodle recipe.